Congratulations on the decision to go solar so that you can save thousands of dollars off your electricity bills. The question is, which solar company can you trust to offer you the best advice, products, installation and support? Here is a checklist of what to look out for. Tip number 1. Choose your solar components carefully because there is a huge difference in quality and performance between the Tier 1 solar manufacturers and the rest. What may seem cheap now may cost you a fortune in lost savings with panels that won't last the distance. Tip number 2. Choose a solar company that is going to carry out a proper site survey that details which solar system will be best for your needs and budget, not one that wants to just pressure you into a sale. Tip number 3. Ask the solar company whether they have their own CEC accredited professional installers or whether they use subcontractors. Tip number 4. Ask the solar company for the names and references of both small and large installations. Tip number 5. Make sure that your solar company will leave your property in the same way they found it. Tip number 6. Make sure that your chosen solar company will take the time to explain how to get the most out of your chosen solar system so that you benefit from the maximum electricity savings. Tip number 7. Find out what warranties the company offers on products and installation. If you want great after-installation service, you need to ensure the company you choose will be around to fulfill the warranty. We realise you have lots of solar companies to choose from, so why choose MPV Solar? Well, to begin with, we've been in the electrical and solar industry for over 20 years. Companies like Origin Energy, Harvey Norman Commercial and AGL, including Channel 9's All-Star Block series, used us as their preferred and trusted solar installer. Over 3,500 homes and businesses have trusted us to install their solar systems of all sizes in New South Wales. We don't use subcontractors and offer you a personal service starting with an initial consultation and site assessment. We handpick Tier 1 components from the best and financially strongest manufacturers in the industry to offer you high-performance systems to suit your needs and budget. From there, we take care of the electricity network application and government rebates. Then our in-house professional installation team will install your new solar system and explain how to get the most out of it. We offer the highest workmanship warranties in the industry from a company that's been around longer than the warranty they offer. Now that's a rarity in the solar industry. MPV Solar is a family business that takes great pride in offering honest advice with customer service and satisfaction our highest priority. If you have any questions, give us a call. Mention this video and we'll throw in a free health check of your new system after 12 months. Go with a solar company you can trust.